Welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to write a JavaScript program to find the twin prime of a given prime number. Now, twin primes are pairs of primes that differ by exactly 2, like 3 and 5 or 17 and 19. We'll build a function that checks if a number is a prime and then sees if its twin also qualifies. Let's take a look at the problem before jumping into the code, shall we? A twin prime is a number that has a prime neighbor exactly 2 away. For example, 59 and 61 are both primes and form a twin pair. Our job is to return that twin, or -1 if the number or its twin isn't a prime. Next, let's write the code that checks all of this. We start with twin prime n, which first checks if n is a prime using test prime. If it isn't, we return -1. If it is, we then test if n plus 2 is also a prime. If that is true, we found our twin prime and return it. The test prime function checks divisibility for each number from 2 up to n minus 1. We follow a linear set of checks here. First, we verify if the number is a prime. Then we look 2 numbers ahead. If both are prime, we return the twin. Otherwise, we return a -1. It is a clean and direct approach for verifying twin primes. Let's run a few examples. For 5, the twin is 7. For 59, the twin is 61. But with 61, 63 is not a prime, so we return -1. This gives us confidence our function catches both true and false twin scenarios. Twin primes are more than just trivia. They are foundational in number theory. They're also used in cryptography, and these types of checks help optimize algorithms. And of course, they often show up in coding challenges, especially in interviews. In this video, we've learned how to find twin primes using basic logic and loops. By testing both the number and its neighbor, we cleanly validate twin pairs. It is an elegant mix of conditionals, functions, and number theory. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.